Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Morning, Miss.
Okay, how are you today, guys?
Good morning. How about you?
Okay, I'm really fine. Thank you for asking. So, today we are going to learn about your idol. Who has an idol here?
Me.
Okay, everyone has an idol here. Good job. Okay, before we start, let's pray together in our own belief. Pray, start. Amen. Okay, before we jump into the activity, I will ask who didn't come to school today? Who didn't come to school today?
Lisa, Miss.
Where is Lisa?
We don't know.
You know. Okay, who else?
Pati, Miss.
Pati, where is Pati?
No information.
Who else?
Chitra, Miss.
Where is Sister?
Faithful, Miss.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Who else?
No one knows.
No?
Only that.
Only that? Okay. So only 3 people didn't come to school today. Okay. Okay, now, before we learn, do you guys want to play a game with me?
Yes!
We will play a game. The game name is Stand Up If. So, guys, stand up if your idol is singer. Okay, everyone idol is singer. Okay, next. Stand up if your idol plays a sport. Okay, on the Yossi. Okay, next. Stand up if your idol has curly hair. Okay. The next one is stand up if your idol is very tall. How tall is he or she?
I think 190.
Oh wow. Okay, it's tall. Stand up if your idol is an actor. Okay. Next is stand up if your idol is a male. Oh, so you both have female idol.
Yes,
Okay. And the last one, stand up if your idol is handsome or beautiful. Okay. Mr. Word, go. Okay. Next, this is our mission today. So, the first one, you guys can identify how a descriptive text built. Okay. The next one is you can discover vocabulary for appearance and personality. Do anyone know what is appearance and personality? No? Naila?
appearance is the physical.
Physical. Okay, nice. And personality?
I think in that of their self.
Okay, good job. Give us. Okay, and the last question for today is learn when to use he, she, is versus he, she, has. Okay, got it, guys?
Yes.
Okay, next. Let's see this picture. Let's see this text. Can someone read this text for me, please? Raise your hand. Show us.
Okay, he is an actor. He is young. Many people like him because he plays in movies.
This one, can someone read, please? Okay.
Angel Linanda is a famous young actor in Indonesia. He has a tall, athletic body and a charming smile. He is humble and kind.
Okay, applause for her. So, I want to ask, which text paints a better picture?
Second
Angel
one.
Linanda,
The Angga Yunanda one. Why?
because it's colorful.
Okay, so
Because
because
it describes
it's
me.
specific. Describe.
Yeah.
Okay, but this is describe too. Why don't you choose this one?
But the second is more specific.
More specific.
We don't know who he is.
We don't know who he is. Okay, we don't know who he is.
Yeah.
The actor is. Okay. Now that's the secret. Descriptive text is about being specific and detailed. So definition of the descriptive text is when we describe someone in specific and detailed way. Okay, is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so what is descriptive text? Raise your hand. Okay.
Descriptive text is text that describes someone or people, animal, place, and that's it.
Oh, that's it. Okay. Good job, Hanif. And next one, we will play a mini games game. So I need you guys to close your eyes right now. Close your eyes and picture this person in your mind. Okay, got it? She has a long, straight black hair. She wears colorful, creative dresses. She looks confident and graceful. Done? Can you picture this person in your mind?
Yes.
Okay, open your eyes. Who do you think this person is? Can someone tell me who do you think this person is?
Olivia Rodrigo.
Olivia Rodrigo. Who else?
Carmen Sherman from Heart to Heart.
Carmen. Heart to heart. Okay. Next. Who do you picture this person is?
Jisoo.
Jisoo. Okay. Who do you picture this person is?
Lia Itzy.
Yeah, you see. Okay. Good job, everyone. So we can conclude that you can picture someone by describing it, right?
Yes, miss.
So if I ask you what the social function of the descriptive text, can you answer me? Can someone answer me what the social function of descriptive text? Okay, Naila.
The social function of descriptive text is to tell the reader to know who the object specifically.
Who the object specifically? Good job, people. Okay, so the social function of the descriptive text is make the reader see the person in their mind. So when you describe someone, when you lost your friend in the public, you can say, he is Indonesian. She has a black hair. She has a long hair, like that. So the social function is that you can use it for describing someone in urgent moment. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, next. This is the structure of descriptive text. Can someone tell me what is the identification steps? By reading this, who is this person? And profession with identity. Can someone tell me what is the meaning of identification? Okay,
So identification is the part where we introduce the object that we describe.
the key word is introduce. So identification is when you introduce the object. Okay? And what about the description? How do they act? What do they look like? Can someone conclude what is description stands for? Naila?
If the description is a part in descriptive text to tell the reader the detail of the object in the identification.
Okay, so the key word in description is detail and specific. So in the identification, you just introduce the person. He's an actor, he's a singer, he's an athlete. But in description, you tell the details. He is tall, he is strong, he is humble, like that. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, next, let's see on your worksheet. Okay, let's see your worksheet. And I will give you a text. I will give you text, 3 texts. That is called about Angga Yunanda. Do anyone know about Angga Yunanda?
Yes.
Isyana Saraswati?
Yes, miss.
And Georgia Mariska Tanjung.
Yes.
Okay. So let's read the Angga Yunanda first. Can someone read this for me? Okay, Mina.
Angga Yunanda is a famous young actor in Indonesia. Many teenagers love him because he is very talented. Angga has a tall and athletic body. He has short black hair, bigger in his personality. Angga is known as a humble and kind person. He is also hardworking.
Okay. Thank you, Mina. Next, Isyana Saraswati. Can someone read this for me?
popular singer and songwriter in Indonesia. Isyana has a beautiful face with fair skin and long, straight black hair. Personality-wise, Isyana is a very creative and smart woman. She is also known to be cheerful and witty.
Okay, thank you, Hanif. Next, I want Nanda to read this for me, please.
Georgia Mastatonjo, or Georgie, is a well-known badminton player. She is not very tall, but she is still very strong, fit, and agile. She always ties her long hair into a ponytail. As for her personality, Georgia is a very calm and optimistic person. Outside the court, she is cheerful and friendly.
Okay, good job. Give a applause for us. Okay, now I need you to fill the worksheet and match where is belong to where. Like A belong to who, B belong to who, and C belong to who. I'll give you, I guess, 15 seconds. 50 seconds is enough. Okay, 50 seconds from now. Tell me if you're finished, bro. Tell me if you're already finished. Okay, good job, guys. Finish?
Yes, Miss.
Finish. Who wants to answer the first one? Okay, please, Manya. Read the characteristics.
She is also known to be cheerful and witty. Isyana Saraswati.
Is it true, guys?
Yes.
Yes, it is Anna. Oh, and read. Next, number 2. Who wants to answer number 2? Yes, please, Nina.
He is a famous young actor in Indonesia. He is Angga Yunanda.
Is it true, Angga, guys?
Yes.
Okay, famous actor. The last one, I want to Ethan answer it.
Is a well-known badminton player is for A. Gregorio Mariska Tunju.
Is it true, guys?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Okay. Next, let's play a game. Where do these words belong? Appearance and personality. Before it, can someone tell me what the difference between appearance and personality? Raise your hands. Can.
So appearance is how someone looks and how their action, and while personality is how someone behaves.
Now, that's the difference between appearance and personality. Appearance, you can see it physically, like it can see by our eyes. But personality is when we feel, how we feel about them. Like they are kind, they are humble, boring, like that. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, now let's play. Where does the tall belong?
Appearance.
Good. Where is brave belong?
Personality.
Curly hair.
Appearance.
Dark eyes.
Appearance.
Kind.
Personality.
Okay, stop. I will ask you one by one. Nina, where is the creative belong? Personality. Yossi, slim.
Appearance.
Appearance. Nanda, hardworking.
Personality.
Bright smile. Hanif.
Personality.
Are you sure?
No me.
Bright smile.
I think it's appearance.
Okay, appearance. And humble. Son.
Personality.
And what about brown eyes, Nella?
Appearance.
Okay, so you guys know what is appearance and personality. when you use has, is when you write a description. Okay. So you already know what description and identification, right?
Yes, meaning.
When you use she is a famous singer, he is kind and hardworking, you use in identification. And when you use she has, he has, it's belong to
Description.
Good job, everyone. And now let's see your worksheet again. There is a text. There is two texts. There is Jerome Modin and Mongya Yunda. I want you to read and see and do your worksheet and collect it in my desk after the class. Okay? Okay. So now we will drop your mini description. Now think of your idol and write 3 quick sentences. Okay? Okay. Naila, who is your idol?
James.
Yes. James. Can you describe it, please? With this.
James is an idol from South Korea in high levels, and then he is a good leader, and then he has a very good German.
Okay, good job, Naila. Okay, next. Yossi, who is your idol?
So my idol is Kim So. He's a kind person, and he has a cute black eye.
Okay, so your idol is Rian.
Yes.
Honey, who is your idol?
I think it's Aurora from Switzerland, I guess, if I'm
Okay,
not wrong.
so your idol is Aurora, and he
And he is kind and supporting person.
okay,
And
she has.
he has blonde hair and blue eyes, if I'm not
Okay,
wrong.
now let's write down that 3 quick sentences in your paper. Okay, I'll give you around 3 minutes. Okay, just let me know if you are done. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone finished?
Yes.
Okay, good job everyone. So I will see your description, your descriptive text, but I will tell you the result in next meeting. So you can collect this to Hanif, and Hanif will put it in my desk. Okay? Okay, just give it your paper to Hanif.
Thank you, Mother.
Okay, so the last one, let's reflect what did we do today. So, can someone tell me what is the difference between identification and description? I want Nina tells me. You can collect this to Hanif, and Hanif will put it in my desk. Okay? Okay, just give it your paper to Hanif.
Thank you, Mother.
Okay, so the last one, let's reflect what did we do today. So, can someone tell me what is the difference between identification and description? I want Nina tells me.
Okay, next, worksheet check. What was easy for you today? What the easiest part?
When we describe our idol.
Describe our idol. And what is still confusing? Do you still confused?
No, miss.
There is no confusing part?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Okay. So when describing someone, what are the 2 main things we talk about? Raise your hand, please. Okay, Naila.
The personality and appearance.
Okay, so what's the difference between personality and appearance?
Appearance is when we see someone, we can see the
Okay.
The
Physical.
physicality
Okay. And the appearance,
the
personality?
is what someone or what the object behaves.
Okay. Okay, next. Thank you guys. You did a good job today. Okay. So our mission is complete today. Good job. So next meeting, keep it to your mind, and next meeting we will work in teams to write a complete descriptive text, spotlight an amazing idol of yours. Okay? Okay, and this is your homework. Do your homework in your home, right? Okay? Keep gathering clues, decide who your ultimate idol is for next time, okay?
Okay, Miss.
So think in your home who is your idol is, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Bring it to school next meeting, okay?
Okay.
Okay guys, thank you so much for your great effort today and see you next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi